Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this Acura MDX and we're putting the rear door back together. So stay tuned and see how it goes. So this rubber has clips and it has two Phillips screws. I'm going to put the clips on and then I'm going to screw in the two Phillips screws with the Phillips screwdriver. Once that is done, I'm going to put the door handle on with the door handle rubbers, and the door handle has a 10mm screw that bolts into it to hold it in place. Let's see. So before popping that screw in, I'm gonna see what these parts are. So let's open up these parts and see what it is. So as I told you before, what locks the handle into place of this rear door is a 10mm bolt. So now we're gonna screw that in and lock this handle into place. So finally that door is done and we have a brand new tail light. So now we're going to replace this tail light. This tail light is held in by two 8mm bolts. So we're going to unbolt this light and take it out and put the new one in. Now I'm going to fix this quarter panel rubber and I'm going to put it back in place and make sure the clips are clipped in. Now that's finally done, so let's cut this tail light out and install it. Thank you for watching our videos and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.